1, 2, 3. Okay, should be working. Hello, traders. Welcome back to our live trading session. This is our second session today. Give me a second before we start. I need to check if everything is working properly. So, if we got sounds, if we got visual. So, if you can please let me know on the chat if everything is working, that would be perfect. And then we can start, guys. Guys, please let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. It should be working, but please let me know. I'm gonna double check, okay, before we start. Okay, but it should be okay. Guys, in the morning we had morning session. We made some plans during that session. Let's check it out. What happened in the morning? If we can still use it. Any of other plans? Maybe not. Maybe market went opposite direction. We will see. So let's have a look. What happened in the morning? I got my trading journal over here. So 5th of November, we had planned for gold, but gold went down. We had another plan for gold after breaking through. Uh, 1 second, guys. We had another plan. Come on, why I'm getting those messages during the session? We had another plan saying that gold will go down, so we're gonna check that in the second. And also crude oil. Let's have a look. Crude oil. Plan was looking like this. Let's have a look at the charts. Look what happened on crude oil. Well, I was saying to set pending order, limit order, stop order under the trend line. So order should be set over here. I was doing something else, so I couldn't basically set order here. But maybe you were watching the market. Maybe you could catch that move. Not sure. Of course, this is not signal providing session, guys. So remember, you're trading at your own risk. But there was potential to open the trade over here, stop loss, and 1-to-1 already should be done. Good news. My trade from yesterday on crude oil, I've got profit of $2,000. So I was showing you on morning session that the trade is still open, and you can see now it's closed. Come on. 1 second, guys. I need to turn off those notifications because okay, it should be good now. So I got profit of $2,000. That trade was placed yesterday. Today, full take profit. Risk 1%, not 1%. Risk $1,000. Take profit $2,000. And today also you can see balance now is different because you got equity of $1 million. I've placed withdraw today, so I withdraw money. Guys, if you got founded accounts or live accounts, if you got some profits, remember to withdraw your money, okay? Don't keep it because account will be growing and you will be thinking, okay, now I got more money, so I can risk more. No, don't do that because you're gonna lose your money. So if you can withdraw some money, you got 5%, 10%, doesn't matter. Withdraw your money, enjoy your money, and you need to do that basically regularly. Okay. So I've placed my withdraw account reset, and we are ready to move forward. Okay, so from today we're gonna see we got balance of $1 million. This is account for live trading sessions, so we're gonna place trades during live trading session in the morning or in the during US session. Depends if we're gonna have any opportunities, we're gonna try to use it. So probably we can look at crude oil because we got nice spike move and over here we got some kind of gap. Okay, so maybe we're gonna be able to use it to go even lower. But before we do that, let's have a look at trading journal, economic calendar, sorry. Let's have a look if we got any important news in our calendar. So it's 9 past 2 p.m. my local time, UTC plus 2. If you are in different time zone, remember to check on the website if you got right time. So 3:45 we got global services PMI, which is very important. We need to look at that. And 4 o'clock we got PMI in United States. So this is also quite important. And jolts. Oh yeah, I forgot about jolts. Also jolts. These news are quite important. So we need to be careful if we're gonna have a plan. We still got some time because we got nearly 2 hours. So maybe we're gonna be able to open the trade before that time. But the closest we're gonna get to the news, the more risky it gets. Okay, so let's say 40 minutes before news opening trades, it's quite risky. So we need to hurry up, I would say. And later on, 4:30, we got crude oil inventories every single week. These news are released at the same day. Usually it's Wednesday, 4:30 p.m. Okay, we know what's going on in the calendar. The rest of the day, it's looking. Oh no, I didn't see that coming. Trump is gonna speak at 7 p.m. Guys, we can expect uh, huge volatility because when the Trump speaks, uh, everything can happen now. So be careful, guys. After today's session, chill. If you got already some profits, relax, wait till tomorrow. Remember to close all your trades before that time because it might be a little bit risky. More than a little bit. It will be risky for you. So remember, 7 p.m. US, the United States President Donald Trump gonna speak. Okay, so let's move on to the charts. Let's see what's going on. Don't know where to start. Let me have a look. Nasdaq. mm, Gold. Okay, gold. Okay, we can have a look at US. Sorry, these are contract futures. S&P 500 mini futures. Okay, so this is not CFD. Okay, let's start from S&P 500. Okay, so on this session, we're going to focus on price action cycle. This strategy is working great during US session. That's why we're going to use this strategy. We usually use 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, but the best charts for this strategy is a tick chart and range chart. Okay, if you got access to tick chart, is great. On TradingView, tick chart, it's rubbish, I would say. Okay, you need to pay a lot of money to get tick chart, and it doesn't work that well. So on MT4, you can get some tick chart for as little with not. It's not a subscription. I think you there is one-time payment for lifetime. I think I'm not sure now because I'm using 5 and 3 minutes time frame. But there is a solution. So you can find on the internet uh, solutions that can give you tick chart on MT4, probably MT5 as well. But we can do it 5 minutes, 3 minutes time frame, no problem. Okay, so basically we are looking at current day. Okay, this is 5 minutes time frame. This is S&P 500. Let me just where is watermark? Let me turn on watermark. It will be easier for you. Futures contract, and it's looking a little bit. The name is different. Okay, normally it's S&P 500. This is ES. Okay, ES1 5 minutes time frame. Okay, one more thing. Watermark. Okay. 2 seconds, guys. Something is slowing down my computer. Give me a second. Okay, we're back. I need to check if everything is working good. Good. Okay, so we are looking at current day. Over here, we can see that the day started right here. Okay, so this is the beginning of the day, and we're gonna check if we are dealing with the range day or is it trend day. Okay, so basically to define that, we need to look at Asian session for sure. So like till 8 is fine, 6, 8, 8 is gonna be fine. So during Asian session, what happened? The price dropped down and they went back up. Okay. I know we got some kind of range probably here. Yes, because later on we had a range. But I think for me, it's more than hard to say trendy because here we had spike move. After spike move, this one here, we had a range. Okay. And usually after spike, we can have range. The price is usually dropping down quite fast to distract traders. Everyone is thinking the price will drop down, and they are coming back up. So I think we got chances to go up. So we're gonna check that in a second. I know we got range over here, but let's leave it for now. I'm interested in this spike move. Okay, so I'm gonna measure this impulse right here to the top. We had some like double top over here. Doesn't matter. Okay, let me just move it to the right. Okay, and reaction on 61.8, 0.618. Perfect reaction. There was bullish micro rotation correction. Probably there was a chance to open the position over here. Okay, we are a bit late, but doesn't mean we cannot open the trade. So let me just remove this Asian session. We don't need that anymore. We know over here is a pullback zone. pullback zone. So let me just remove it. We're gonna try to find rotation channel. But we're gonna start it from here. Okay, rotation channel is working. We got nice reaction from the top. We got 3 reactions over here, 2 nice reactions from the bottom. So let's say this trading channel is working, okay? The next thing we need to find out, we got our pullback zone, we got nice reaction at the bottom of rotation channel, which is good. Like I said, probably there was a chance to open position right here. We are a bit late now, so we need to check some other things because there is a chance they're gonna come back and maybe then we're gonna be able to open position to go up, okay? So let's have a look at micro rotation from the morning. I want to check. Yes, we can. I think we can do it on 5 minutes. Let me just check 3 minutes time frame. 3 minutes time frame. Okay. Should be good. Let's stick to 3 minutes then. Or no, 5 minutes. Let's do it on 5 minutes. Okay. So, micro rotation over here, not clear enough for me. For sure, we can mark this micro rotation. There was small correction, but went out of the channel. Okay, we got confirmation, which is good. Another rotation I can see it's over here. Correction continuation. Good. Now we are looking for bearish one. Where is it? Come on. Over here, we got bearish micro rotation. All right, correction continuation. This is confirmed. Now we are looking for bullish one. Let's say it's here, okay? It can be, yes, it is. Correction. Nice. Then another one. This one is not confirmed. This one is not confirmed. So basically, this place was very good to open the trade. Bullish micro rotation correction, and after this candle, probably we were able to open the position. This is not perfect candle, but it was all right. This candle is much better, the green one, but there was opportunity, guys. Especially breakout through the resistance line, retest, boom, this candle here, there was opportunity. Let me just check it out. Where is my panel with tools? Okay, it's here. This is more risky setup, 2 to 1, more risky, more safe. But let's check where will be our measure move. So let's start from here. The highest point, I think it was here, and the lowest was here. So I'm gonna mark our measure move because this is the place where we want to get. So template, measure move, second leg. Come on. Okay, measure move, second leg. So 2 to 1, safe option. Okay. But we are late. We are late. So what can we do? Do we want to open position now? No, not yet, because we want to find best entry for us. So to be honest, if we are after bullish rotation, sorry, bearish. Now we are waiting for bearish rotation. So the best option will be I want to see the price dropping down, micro rotation bearish, to be confirmed. Then beginning of bullish rotation, and we're gonna try to go up. Okay. So here, we need to see bearish rotation to be confirmed, and after that, we need to see bullish rotation, and basically we can go up. This is the first option. Okay. Another option. Let me just save it. Downloads. Okay. Save. 67. Okay, this is the first option. So let me just remove it. Another option is if we're gonna see bearish rotation, okay, bearish rotation, then we're gonna look for something like that. Two tries of sellers to confirm this micro rotation, and after strong reaction, we're gonna look for buy option. Okay. Another, let's say, confirmation for us, it can be this zone over here, because this is some kind of support resistance zone. And if we're gonna be able to come back here, there is a chance that we're gonna see reaction at this area. If we look what happened in the morning, like 6, 7 a.m., 9 a.m., we had reaction. So every time the price got to this level, boom, got to the level, boom. So we can expect something similar over here. Maybe we're gonna be able to go up. Okay. So we're gonna look for this kind of setups. Of course, it can look a little bit different, but we're gonna look for something similar. We just need to watch the market and see what's gonna happen in next 15, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So during our session, we're gonna look at the chart, we're gonna come back to this one, and we're gonna check if we are ready to open the position or maybe not. Okay. So two different options. Let me just make a screenshot of this one as well. I'm gonna put that in diary, in journal in a second. Okay. Let's do it straight away then. Trading journal. US session. Okay. Noise. Okay. S&P 500. Why the color is changing? Come on. Two. Okay, I've got two different plans. But before I make any decision, I need to wait for mm, bearish micro rotation, and then I will look for one or two bullish setups to get to measured move. Okay, so let me just put screen, insert picture this device. Why there's only one? This is the first one. And where is the other one? So we got two different setups. We're gonna wait for, of course. Let me just have a look at chat. So we're gonna look for those two different options for us on S&P mini futures. Like I said, we should be already in position because position should be set over here. Let's say if we would choose safe option, we should have already 1-to-1. So we are late. I cannot, complain because I'm late. If they're gonna come back and we're gonna have opportunity to open the trade, cool. If not, doesn't matter. I know I'm late. Okay, I should be already in position. So because I'm late, I cannot expect that the market will come back to for me, so I can open position. Okay, if they're gonna go straight up, that's okay. not, I'm not worried too much. All right, so this is one instrument. Let's check. Okay. This is crude oil, light crude oil futures. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. And the same situation. We need to look at the beginning of the day, and we need to define which kind of day is it? Is it range day? Is it trend day? And the good thing is we can use open of the day because we can see always reaction at this level. Look how open of the day is reacting. This is open of the day. Look at those reactions. Nice. That's why it's good to mark open of the day because sometimes in the range days, uh, you can use it for your target if you want to go back into the range. Okay. All right, we got strong spike move, but situation over here doesn't look too good. So the market's slowing down. There was no correction to 50%. Let's check. No, not even to 38.2. So we can still wait for the pullback. The day, I'm pretty sure we are dealing with the trend day because we can probably find some kind of rotation channel over here. The price was rotating up. I'm not sure if the second leg measure move was done or not. Probably we can start from here. Yeah, measure move second leg was done. So we can do it like that. They got to the measure move second leg and perfect reaction. Okay. So this is done. Now we go to reset because this low, the price break through this low, and we're gonna look for opposite direction. Okay, I don't want to go up anymore. I want to go down now. So let's measure this impulse from here to the lowest point, and let's mark our correction. I don't want to see correction to 61.8. This might be too deep for me, okay? So between 0.382 or zero point 0.5, yes, but lower, not really. Uh, okay. So this is our pullback zone. So we may look at this option over here. The price is acting strange over here. I know we got some kind of support resistance zone over here, and there was reaction. Actually, it's related to open of the day. So this is our support resistance zone. But I want to see the price coming back into the pullback zone. That would be great for me. If we can come back up here. And then maybe reaction, bearish reaction. And then maybe we're gonna be able to find opportunity for us to trade. But at this moment, I cannot even draw any rotation channel. Okay, so this can be a little bit tricky. This can be a little bit tricky. Let's say we're gonna have reaction at 50%, maybe. This can be hidden rotation channel, but if we are looking at hidden rotation channel because something changed over here, so we need to mark it maybe like this. Okay, maybe. I'm not sure. We will see how the price will react when we're gonna get to our pullback zone over here. Maybe after that, after micro rotation, we're gonna have a chance to open the trade to go down. But we need to remember that at 4 p.m. today, today 4, we got news, 4:30, sorry. We got some news related to crude oil. So we need to be careful. And on this one, we're going to have to wait. Yes, we're gonna have to wait again, guys. It's not like we are starting session and we can open trades straight away. Sometimes, of course, yes, we can do that, but sometimes we just need to wait. We can make a plan, but we need to wait for the perfect entry or for the perfect timing. If we want perfect trades, we will need to wait because I prefer to wait and make some profit than open position, straight away. So on this one, we're gonna have to wait. I'm gonna make a screenshot because uh, I might need it later. This is CL. 5 minutes time frame. Okay. All right, we got light crude oil. Let me just insert picture. Janet, hello, hello again. Did you manage to open any trades in the morning? Okay, so this is a plan for crude oil, but we need to wait also. Okay, we need to wait for the perfect situation. At this moment, we need to wait for pullback. Okay, let's have a look at this one here. They're running out. We should be in position, guys. Let's save safe option. With more aggressive option, we should be already in profit. Full take profit. But we were late. We were late because that was hour and a half ago, more than hour and a half ago. Okay, so that was before session. Unfortunately, we cannot catch everything, so we cannot open every trade we want to. Unfortunately, so maybe we're gonna have chance over here if the price will drop. Maybe not. We will see. Okay. Okay, we got crude oil, which is good. Let's have a look at German 40. This is CFD, okay? Mm, all right, the same. What happened in the morning? I'm looking at Asian session right here from the morning till like 8 a.m. So over here, for sure, I'm pretty sure we are dealing with the trend day because the price dropped down. That was quite strong move, and I went back up again. So we need to measure basically from here this impulse, this whole impulse. We need to measure it to this point over here. So this is point A and point B. Okay, and this will be our correction. So point C. Okay, pullback zone. Okay, so where is our measure move? Right at the top over here. Okay, so we should get there probably. So can we open position? Before we're gonna decide if we want to open or not, we need to check few other things, okay? So we know this is point A, point B, and point C. We know where is measure move, so we are not that far, probably halfway, more than halfway to measure move. But let's check micro rotation from the morning. So had one over here. One over here. Not sure if I want to count this one over here. Was the price rotating? Let me check from 3 minutes time frame because I am not sure. From 3 minutes time frame, for sure we got rotation over here. Okay, we can accept that. Let's say we got rotation over here. Let's go back to 5 minutes time frame. And so if we want to check from lower, bullish rotation, bearish rotation, bullish no, 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 no. Probably here was the first rotation. Okay. And it was confirmed. Okay. So now we can wait because I don't know if the price will go higher or not. But basically, we can wait for the price to come back. So what can we expect? Once again, I want to add something like rotation channel. Okay, it's working quite good, but we need bearish rotation. Okay, maybe we will open position, but first of all, we need bearish rotation. Of course, it would be the best for us if they would drop down to the bottom of rotation channel and then see reaction. Okay, that would be the best because we would buy low. Okay, we would buy low somewhere, but that can. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. But if we're gonna wait for bearish market rotation correction, then maybe yes. And we don't need to get to the lowest point of rotation channel. No, we can find some support zones. First one, of course, is over here, and the price is reacting. We already retested this area, but we need something lower. Probably this area here will be nice. Okay, but we need price to drop down. We need to see bearish micro rotation, and after that, maybe yes, maybe yes. But I'm not sure. Valentin, hello everyone. Hello. I'm not sure about this one. They might go straight up. We will have to wait and see. Okay. Uh, German index. It's moving quite fast, so you never know. We might get there in about hours. Today on crude oil, I have a short position, minus 60 piece to daily target from 4 of 11. Good. Good. We were talking in the morning about crude oil, about trade on crude oil. Trade should be open in this area over here to go down. I missed it, but that was the plan. But I wasn't able to open this position. Okay, to set this position. But the price is dropping down, so it's looking good. And DAX is going up. Yes, they might not wait for us. That's fine. We can try to find something else. I think we're gonna check maybe one more asset because we are getting close to the news. In about 1 hour, we got news coming up. 5:45, 3:45, then 4 o'clock, and later on at 7 p.m. Trump's gonna speak. So if we can find something else, we check gold. No, we did not check gold, or we checked gold. No, we did not. Not yet. Mm, 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 mm. This is for 4 o'clock. No, I think we're gonna have to go with gold. We're gonna go. We need to check gold. This is the last asset we're gonna check today. Uh, like I said, news coming up, so it might be a little bit tricky. Okay, so be careful, guys. Later on. So what happened over here? Let's have a look. Strong impulse up. I want to check if this impulse they got to 38.2, which is good because that should be our first, let's say, first leg. No, basically, first leg was earlier. We can count it from here, but I'm just wondering, 1 second, if I can consider this top. No. Okay, let's do it like this. That was the first leg. Okay, let's say it was first leg. We couldn't get higher. Let's check if there was reaction. It's one of our levels. Look, perfect reaction on 0.618. Okay, and now the price is reversing. Reversing, so that means we might go down. I want to check this impulse going down from here. Here they couldn't break exponential moving average. Here the same, but we need to measure this to this level down here. So let me just mark it up. This is the first point, this is the second point, and this might be our correction. But you can see the price closed above 61.8, which means this setup might be a little bit risky. One, two, three candles closed above. We got nearly to 78.6. So this is gonna be too risky, probably. But never say never. We will see. I would prefer to the price to stop somewhere here, but okay. If we're gonna get any higher or the next candle will close above, mm, I wouldn't bother. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. We need to be careful, especially on golds. Okay, so let's have a look at the rotation from the morning. Rotation was bullish over here, then bearish over here. Yes or not? Not really. No. But we got bearish rotation confirmed, which is over here. Then we are looking for bullish. Bullish rotation was here. So now we can expect bearish rotation. We got some kind of trend line, resistance line, call it however you like. And we got support resistance zone, and the price stopped over here, which is good. If we're gonna break through, probably we're gonna go higher. So for me, big question mark. But if we're gonna have nice reaction now, bearish rotation, breaking through this resistance line, we might have our chance to go down. Okay. Something like this, but we gonna have to wait for that. It doesn't look great for me. I cannot say this setup is perfect. Um, for me, it can be tricky. First of all, because of the news coming up, and second of all, this trading channel, not sure if it's gonna work. Okay, it's a little bit flat, and the price is breaking through, so probably no. We'll see. I'm gonna make a screenshot, but I'm not sure about this setup, to be honest. Um, Probably I will leave it, even if we're gonna go down, because I'm not confident with this setup. We got plan for S&P 500 for sure. We got two different plans. We got plan for crude oil. We done DAX. DAX also is done, German index. And this is the last one, gold. 5 minutes time frame. Mhm. Okay. Second, 1 second, 1 second. Oh, come on. I need to make another screen. But we are breaking through, so for me, no. I'm gonna remove it. We are breaking through, so no. For sure, no. Okay, so have a look at Nasdaq. What we are checking, US 500. This setup, maybe, but I'm pretty sure we won't get here. Probably, maybe after correction, maybe I'll look for some kind of setup, but with lower risk, maybe 0.5%, okay? Maybe 0.5% of risk. It can be good, but because we should get to measure move second leg, but I'm not sure. Uh, Crude oil, maybe, maybe. Oh, where is 50%? Let me check. 50% is right here. Spike, we got some channel. So if we're gonna come back to the 50%, this is 50%, and we're gonna have strong reaction, okay, we need to close under the support resistance zone. If the price will close lower, there will be opportunity. It can be good. This is not my favorite setup, spike setup, because we got also different setup saying spike move flag to like 50% and then we can go up. This one is a little bit different one. So the price was still moving down. We got lower low over here. And all we need to do is just wait for the price to come back to 50%. It doesn't have to be 50%, okay? It doesn't have to be. It can be over here. Reaction at open of the day or support resistance zone. If there will be reaction, we can place trade. So price need to come back here, and after strong reaction, we can go down, okay, for continuation of this bearish move. But the price still can go down, up, down, and maybe then we're gonna get to 50%. Then boom. We'll see. But this can be nice trades from here, or another option going a little bit higher now to this level, and we want to see the candle closing under support and resistance zone. If yes, I can set order, of course, with the stop loss above this level and take profits 122. Okay, so one of these setups probably yes. We still got time to news, because we got news on crude oil in hour and a half, so we will see. Okay, let me just save it. Okay. Excuse me. I think we got already planned for crude oil. Yes. So this plan is a little bit different. Insert picture. Okay. I think that's it, guys. I don't want to keep you any longer over here. We got few different plans. Am I happy for these plans? Not really. We had better plans in the morning, but mm, look, we made already a few plans today. That's everything from today. So crude oil is looking quite good. So probably there will be opportunity. What about the others? Maybe, maybe yes, but we need to wait for bearish rotation, and after bearish rotation, maybe we're gonna be able to open the trade to go up. Crude oil, yes. GC, gold, not really, not really. We got to level 0.786. Too high for me. Okay. Mm, no. No. So, guys, that's it for today. In about 45 minutes, we got news coming up on mm, news from US. 4 o'clock also. So in about 1 hour, and later on in hour and a half, we're gonna have some news on crude oil. So be careful, guys. Later on, also, Trump's gonna speak at 7 p.m. So to be honest, I think it's better to stay back, wait, and look at the charts. What's gonna happen? Sometimes it's better to watch, stay away, and wait till market's gonna slow down. And maybe tomorrow morning we're gonna have more opportunities. Sometimes one day, no setups. Maybe 2 days. Mm, one day, okay, maybe 2 days, no setups. But if another day will come, sometimes we got like 3, 5 setups in one day. So it's good to be patient. If we're gonna have any nice setups, for sure we're gonna open the trades. Yesterday we opened the trade. I've opened the trade on crude oil, and I've got $2,000 of profit from yesterday trade. So that was The plan was made during live trading session, and today we could profit as well, but I was late. Maybe some of you tried to use it on your account, demo account, or anything. Maybe you just were watching, but there was opportunity, but we missed it. Also, we missed S&P 500 because there was opportunity over here to open a position, but we were late. What can we do? We can't catch everything. So, guys, thank you for your attention. Tomorrow morning we're gonna have another session, 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. So, uh, hopefully I will see you on tomorrow's session. So, good luck, guys, and be careful because we got some news coming up. Take care.